Hello everyone, welcome back to our videos, and in this opportunity we're very happy to show you the experience that we had with our microscope that is branded, in this case, TAKMLY, something like that. And this is what you get when you buy one of these devices. First, we're gonna show you this, even though we know that we don't care about the appearance of these devices. We care what it shows in the screen once you are exploring the world. On its sides, this microscope has the brightness selector, it has the USB connector on the back, a type B connector, a micro USB, I'm sorry. It has a button where you can capture screens. It has a selector or Wi-Fi or PC, which actually the only thing that it does is select if you're going to use it in the computer or through the app wirelessly. The cable that comes with the device, we found it to be very short, even though it worked for what we needed, as we just used it on top of our desktop and it worked just fine. The base that comes with the device, as we show you very quickly right here, is something that actually was a key decision point when we bought this microscope. This one is the focus selector here in the microscope, because actually what it does is let you very quickly achieve the level of focus that you have with the device. The lid, that is like the protector of the lens, is just in case dust or something else does not get into the lens. As we see right here, we just download it. You download an exe file, you run it, and it is ready to connect to the microscope. Be very careful, you have to select PC in order for the microscope to work. In no time, you will be exploring everything around you, literally everything around you. I mean, you're just gonna grab immediately leaves, rocks, sand, sugar, salt, and everything that is in your kitchen. And we were very surprised at first, because once we grabbed our microscope and we grabbed this little piece of plant, we came up with a close encounter. I mean, we were just so happy that in our first exploration we were able to watch something like this. It is not very easy at first to follow whatever you need to follow, because the magnification is so big that it is very difficult to have it, like I'm showing you right now, it's very difficult to have it at focus, and it's very difficult to follow something that is moving, comparatively speaking, so slow compared to the movements of your hand. But actually it works just fine. Right here what I am doing is just moving around my hand, and I am moving at the same time the focus selector of the microscope, which, by the way, we found two different positions into which you're going to find exploration easier to be done. Here at a slowest magnification, I don't know if it is 10,000, 1,000, 5,000, but once you move this selector right here, you're going to be able to have two different focus points. It is going to be somewhere too close to 50x and somewhere close to 1000x. Arguably, I'm not saying that it is actually 1000x, but as you can see right here, is a very good close-up of whatever you need to explore. Biologists are going to be happy with this if you are just at an amateur level in which you are just encouraging students to explore the world. This is not oriented for professional biologists or labs. This is just for exploring the world. Running the mobile app was also very easy to set up, so you can wirelessly manage the exploration, as you can see by the end of this very short video. This could be very well oriented for professionals that need to run inspections, quality control, manufacturing processes, and much more. We really hope that this video was of any help, as usual, if you are in the decision-making process of buying one of these devices. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.